will be your premier knowledge partner. And this point, we'll be looking at how to use ChatGPT to create blog or article titles. Yeah, when you have a blog or article to write, it always starts with a caption. You have your caption being the title. However, sometimes getting this title that will be very captivating, that will actually draw attention, is always challenging. What we just have is that idea, and I will show you how you can follow the steps and document your idea, you understand, and get your title, you understand. So what we do here now is just follow me carefully. Hold on. Let me remove some things. Yeah, good. Now, these are the things you need to be able to generate a good title for your blog or article. You need an idea, you need the style you want it to be, then you need how many words or the limit you want your title to be. You want it short or long, how many words or character do you want it to be, and you also need to now come up with a prompt. I will show you how to do that. Now, in this one now, we are the idea we have is regarding savings, salary, and money, Nigerian inflation. We're looking at how salary earners can be able to save more money in Nigeria when the inflation is high, so that they can be able to grow. And we are looking at the various styles, maybe mistakes to avoid, beginner's guide, listicle, how to, or whatever. Just document your style, how you want, what pattern do you want that title to be, then your limit, the how many words do you want it to be, how many characters to be there, the prompt. Now, how do you coming up with the prompt may be very challenging, which is one thing I want to show you now. So once you know your idea, you know your style, you know your limit, just copy everything once you've written it somewhere on your paper, and now go straight to your chat GPT. Just follow me carefully. Let's go to chat GPT. Be carefully. This is my chat GPT here. This one is a plus account. Yeah, I think, yeah, this is a plus account. So I will submit my idea and my style and my limit. I will now give it a little instruction at the front. Um, Use details below to structure prompts I can use to generate blog title or article title. Now, why do you actually need to come up with a prompt like this? Why do you need to work with ChatGPT to come up with prompt first of all? There are some key elements of prompt that can actually help ChatGPT to understand the point and be able to structure it very well. It must be specific, it must be accurate, and so many other things like that. You may not be too free to start making sure that all those things are in place. But in as much as you already have your idea, you have your style, you have your limit, you can just give it to ChatGPT and tell ChatGPT to write the prompt for you. So I put this thing together, and ChatGPT will definitely use it and come up with a prompt. You can see it is too, that is not what I want. Okay, I didn't give the instruction very well. The instruction wasn't very well structured. Let me go back. So use details below to write. You can see what I wrote instead of prompt. I wrote PRPM to write prompt, POROMT, write prompt. I can use to generate, understand? I can say write it in one paragraph. So with this now we'll get the prompt we can now use for this is the prompt you can see. So create a blog title or article title that focuses on blah 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 blah. Take time to read it. Now you can now copy this prompt like this, you understand? Copy the prompt like this and go to your chat GPT and submit. We are already in chat GPT, just to open a new chat sheet, you understand? submit that prompt, it has been properly structured such that it can give us exactly what we want based on the idea, the style, and the limit we have provided. So we send it, and let's see how ChatGPT can actually give us the, you can see it gave us this smart saving, five mistakes to avoid. So once you have it like this, if you like this one, you pick this one. If you don't like this one, you can say write five title. Understand? Write five titles. Okay, you can see it gave us five, so you can just copy everything, then take time to go through it, and now make our choice of the one to actually go with. So good. So let's just put it like this. Mm, these are the topics we have now. So saving tips, avoid these mistakes. Money hacks, five saving errors to avoid. Smart blah blah, how to save, avoid these five common pitfalls. Salaried life, five saving mistakes to dodge. You understand? So you can pick any one and develop it into blog post, article, uh, post. You understand? So this is the prompt here. Now you really need to. The major thing you need to master here is how to document your idea, how to come up with the style, you understand? How do you want it to be? Is it mistakes to avoid? Is it how to or blah blah, whatever way. Just tell yourself that this is how you want it to be, being the style, and this is the idea you have, and this is the limit, being the word limit or whatever. Now, I have a little test for you. Yeah, I really have a little test for you. And this test is only for those who want to actually get certificate at the end of this training. If your intention is just to listen to the training and go, good and fine. But in as much as you want to have a certificate at the end of this training, please go to you develop a prompt that you can use to generate a brief, that is blog title or article title, and forward it to Verizon Practical Training gmail.com. Verizon Practical Training at gmail.com. Generate a prompt you can use to develop blog title or article title. Forward your prompt here, include your name, the same name you included during your registration for our ChatGPT. That is the same name you will include. If we don't see your mail, can't give you our certificate. You understand? So that is all. See you in the next class where we'll now discuss other things. You have been able to master how to come up with title for your blog post, your article post, titles that can actually draw attention. And this is the simple way you can go about coming up with the idea, coming up with the styles, and structuring it into prompts that you can use to come up with your titles. Thank you so much.